What makes our office unique is the fact that it doesn't feel like a dental office. It doesn't feel like an orthodontic office.
It's cool. It's very different than any other doctor's office I've ever been in. A lot of surf stuff, a lot of like laid back good vibes. I'm a big fan.
There's always videos of surfing on, and I don't know, it's a cool office.
It really is a reflection of me. Professional but fun.
It's always nice coming in here. All the people who work here are always friendly and nice, and it's just easy.
We welcome people in the back. Parents come and sit. Sometimes they sit in my chair and I have to go get another one. You know, people feel very comfortable about being in the back and looking at the view and you know, just kind of enjoying the experience while they're here. Some people look at it as a break from their day when they bring their kids in and you know, they're almost disappointed when I tell them they're done already. You know?
Everybody is just so kind and nice and thorough, and just making sure the whole experience is great for the kids and the parents. We're really pleased with everything.
He just was very straightforward, very honest, very clear and concise in explaining what he was going to do. And most of the stuff that he's doing for both the boys were new to us. But he explained it well, and we had so many recommendations from Hunter's friends who had been here before.
We were referred to him by 2 different dentists, and we had a number of other referrals. But then when we came here, we were sold, and everyone I know has come here. So
most of our patients come from other patients, and that's the greatest compliment that we can get.
I'd say he's a great doctor, and obviously I came here twice, so, you know, obviously he's really good. I go look at the pictures on his wall, and I see everyone I know who also came to him, and he just has a really good reputation.
Everyone here is so wonderful, all the staff, all the nurses, Dr. Austin. We've never had a problem getting an appointment. It's easy.
I just tell them to go to Dr. Austin because they'll get them on and off a lot quicker than anyone else. Like all my other friends that had teeth that didn't even look that bad, they had to get them on for like 3 years, and I feel like it never ended, and I just got them on and off pretty quick.
I went to another orthodontist for like once, and he told me that I wasn't going to get braces off till sophomore year of college. And then Dr. Austin took them off for me halfway through last year, which is really nice, halfway through my junior year of high school. So that was really nice. That was good.
He has a lot of pride in everything that he does. He loves doing it, which is always very essential when it comes to these kind of things, because you want to, the patient is not only dedicating a lot of time, but they're spending a lot of money to have, the results they want. And from what I've seen, he's here to try to guarantee that they have the best possible outcome, and he'll work with the patient to try to get those results.
I felt like he looked at her as an individual, and we made a plan tailoring to what her needs were, and not just say, well, she's just a particular problem, and like I'm going to do the same thing for every single person.
Well, I think anybody who's a good orthodontist does that. I mean, I don't know if that's unique to me personally, but that to me is the what we all should be doing. That's what I consider the gold standard of treatment. Every case is unique. Everyone that walks through the office, even if they're twins, they may have very different problems. They may respond to treatment very differently, and you have to be able to respond to those differences and realize how to work with them in ways that are going to give you the best outcome. And having a lot of experience and a lot of training obviously makes that easier to do.
Dr. Austin is very one-on-one with all of his patients. He really cares about the treatment that they're getting.
If you have any concerns, he will make sure you're comfortable. He doesn't force anything, any treatment on any patients.
And he didn't push us or rush us into anything. It was all very nice and gradual, and we just knew that this was the place to come for sure.
Best ortho in all of Los Angeles and close to home.